Presenting, Samsung Galaxy M16 5G smartphone. It is available in size 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. It is available in colors, blush pink, mint green, and thunder black. This smartphone comes in 6GB RAM, and 128GB internal storage. It comes in 16.91 cm, 6.7 inch, Super AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution with 1080 by 2340 pixels, and 90Hz refresh rate, refreshing design with new linear camera deco, slimmer with just 7.9 mm thickness. It features with 50 megapixel, f1.8, main wide-angle camera plus 5 megapixel, f2.2, ultra-wide-angle camera plus 2 megapixel macro-angle camera, 13 megapixel, f2.0, selfie camera, and video maximum resolution of Full HD, 1920 by 1080, at 30 frames per second. It comes with powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6300, AnTuTu Score 422K+, 2.4 GHz, 2 GHz clock speed, with octa-core processor. It features with massive 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery, non-removable, with C-type fast charging. The box contains smartphone, data cable, C2C, SIM ejection pin and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.